Yeah. Every breath, every step, lungs full of smoke. Whole room foggy in the air, stop the choke.
Every breath, every step, lungs full of smoke. Whole room foggy in the air, about to choke. Big frame moving, flow boss cry. Clouds so thick, can't see the sky. Meat in the lungs, but the guts they curse. Pressure build slow, then it's about to burst. Braces stick glow in the dead of night. Puff after puff, yeah, chase that light. But below the belt, it's a different wall. Silent but deadly, knocking at the door. Walking deep when I take my seat. Every exhale turn the room to a sheet fog. Machine lungs can't see my feet, but the real danger creeping underneath. Feel that rumble like a storm inbound. Tryna play cool, but it's way too loud. Hold it in tight, but it start to slip. Now I'm fighting for my life, man, real. Clouds in the air, gas in the soul. One go up, one lose control. Laugh through the pain, but it's getting insane. Living in the haze, in the biohazard scene. Clouds in the air, doom in the good. One wrong move and it all erupt. Fall so thick, but the truth don't hide. There's a second storm room deep inside. Snack chrome fall like a chalice sin. Energy drinks with the sugar within. Vapors high, but the stomach low. A ticking time bomb that's ready to blow. Check quick loud like I know my fate. Every little shift got me tempting fate. Fan on high, but it don't compete with the chaos rising from the sea. Eyes half shut, lost in the cloud of reality. Hit and it hit real loud. Internal thunder, no warning sign. I'm praying for mercy, I won't find. Bounce out, but the damn stay. Wind can't carry this curse away. Live was silent, but I know the truth. I'm a walking hazard in gym shows loose. Puff again just to calm my nerves, but the cycle hit like I never learned. Nicotine dreams and the toxic low on my body got something more uncool. Every inhale got me feeling this space. Every exhale just a cover for this grace. Two different battles I can't outrun. One in my chest, one in my good and done. In the air, gas in the soul. One go up, one lose control. Laugh through the pain, but it's getting insane. Living in the haze and the biohazard scene.
Bust in my head, dread in my core. One bring peace, one start a war. Can't trust breath, can't trust fate. Both ends hitting at a dangerous way.
Late night bridge got me acting wild. Stacking my desk like a reckless child. Chips and soda for the storm. While I sit there thinking that it's all normal. Mirrors still see the truth unfold. Clouds outside but in some mold. Laugh it all but it hits so real. A tragic low I can't conceal. Far clear sky, the shame don't fade. Two types of clouds that a man done made. One in the lungs, one in the abyss. Over my life, be like this.